Edition of The Law and You, we're talking about a situation involving a complication with gall bladder surgery. With us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
All right, here is our question. This involves a medical issue with the gallbladder surgery. Matt in Hazleton wants to know, my sister had gallbladder surgery last month and the anesthesia didn't go well. She had to be revived on the operating table. Now she has cognitive issues post-surgery. The doctors aren't talking and I think they may have committed malpractice. How can we find out? So we got a lot of layers to this question.
Yeah, so what you immediately need to do is get your medical records. And you need to have them reviewed by an expert anesthesiologist. So what's going to happen is you're going to have a nurse anesthetist, and that's really the person who is going to be administering the anesthesia during this particular procedure, watching your vitals, making sure that you're going to be okay. The anesthesiologist is really kind of monitoring what's going on there. So in order to find out if there was in fact malpractice, and there may, just because you ultimately have cognitive issues, there may be no malpractice here, but you have to get those records, the pre-op records, to see what testing was done, and then obviously there's a separate anesthesia record that you're going to need to look at, and you're going to need to analyze that to see if there was malpractice.
Yeah, these anesthesia cases are complicated. I know we're working on a couple. We have a few going in the office. So, I mean, the key is getting your records, getting to a law firm that knows how to handle them, and that law firm needs to get experts involved and to really find out early, hey, is this malpractice? Because sometimes, certain things happen during a surgery and it's not malpractice. But if you're asking this question and the question was, how do you find out? That's how you find out. You pick up the phone and you call a lawyer, you get the records, get them reviewed, and you'll get some answers.
All right, good advice. And our viewers who need to talk to you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
You know what we've forgotten, most people, you can also ask Greg questions at the gym. He hasn't been there in a little bit, but he's getting back there now. He's ready. So
ready to make a comeback.
When he's doing curls.
Well, you know what? When he got the title of world's best flexor, he needed to take a little time off to rest.
He did.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much. We will see you next time.
You got it.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.